Hello brothers, Mustache Chris here with a quick little video tutorial on how to edit your fundraising page. First off, let's get logged in, and you can find your login in the email you received when you registered. It'll look very similar to this, and there's a login link here. Click on that. That takes you to the login. Ignore the Omaha references in parts of this. We're still branding some of your pages. So use the username that you registered with, your password, and that'll take you to what we call the stash board. This is the grower stash board. There's going to be donation information and lots of other stuff, but we don't want to worry about that today. Today we just want to get you up and running on your fundraising page. If you go to view your page, you can see what it looks like, right? Now, it's got my name, it's got my mustache name, but it's got these logos in here, and we don't want that. We want them to see your beautiful face. So the first thing we do is replace those with pictures of you, and anytime you want to get back to the dashboard is log in. That'll take you back to this page. So don't use edit your page, ignore that for now. Use that to go view your page, but otherwise use these big black buttons over here. So we're gonna start with add pictures. So we're gonna upload a new image, choose a file. I've got one right here of my face. Open that, submit. And now this is in your gallery. So now this is one of the pictures in your gallery. This one is still here, this logo, but we wanna make it our profile. The profile pic is this little circle pic here. The gallery is all of these down here. So again, back to login, add pictures, and then use this use to create profile pic right here. It is going to make you crop a big square. Go ahead and click Save Cropped. And if we go back to our page and check it out, there we go. Our profile pic is updated. All of the pictures in our gallery will cycle through here. So if we want to get rid of that logo, again, add pictures, just go ahead and delete that photo out, confirm that you want it gone, and now that's gone from your gallery. The next thing you can do is you can edit the text on that page. Again, go to the black buttons, hit edit your page. Now this is just a text editor. You can add in here, I am a former dynamite and I loved it. Save changes, and now when we look at our page, we've got our new faces here, we've got the text updated here, and in that editor, if we go back and look at that editor, there's some other things you can do. You can embed videos and pictures, but when people go to your website, when they go to your fundraising page, over here in this white space is going to be the donate button. That's where they're going to put their information in and give you money. So you don't want too much happening here. You don't want them to read a bunch, you don't want them to go certainly don't link to anything outside of this and take them away from this page. By the time they've come this far, they're ready to give you money, and it's going to be right here. So keep this simple. Make sure you're updating your face every week with mustache pictures of yourself, especially when you're in that half growth phase when people want to see that. That's what they're paying for, is for your embarrassment. So give it to them. Give the people what they want, and that'll lead directly to donations. So check back here for some more videos later. Take care. Good luck, brothers.